Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on some Lego chairs. So let's look at what we have. We have this Spinorama gaming chair or office chair. I think it looks better as a gaming chair with Space Dude Bill on it. We have Bob the Spaceman on his nice outdoor reclining chair. We have Agent Timmy on the little normal living room chair, and on the another outdoor chair, we have the Bzz Fly. Alright, so let's start building the gaming chair. You're gonna want to start with this, 2x2 spinning plate, and then getting a stud. Doesn't matter the color, I chose tan, does not matter. It's going to be covered by this 3x3 dish in black. And you are going to place it on top of the spinning axle so it can, spinning plate, so you can spin it like that. You're then going to want to get a gray 2x2 plate so that it gives it like a nice little color change, gives some pop, I guess. Then a 2x1 black plate, with a bar attachment. And this, what I call, is a U-piece. I have no clue what this is. It's a 2x2 plate in the middle with the little brick, I guess, area here by 2x1. You guys know what this piece is. I don't know what it's called, but you would know. You guys know what it is. So then to build the chair backing, you want this clip piece. I put gray. It's not great. And you want this 2x2 plate with the angles on them. I'm just going to place the clip like that. And then you want this curved slope, this rounded slope 2x4. 2x4. And you're just going to place it like that. And then you're going to use this backing and just clip it on to there. So now that your chair is done, where you can just place it there, grab a minifigure, and boom. So, yeah. Now let's get this, outdoor chair, reclining chair, and build it. So starting with these 4 pegs, you just need to line them up in a 2x4 fashion, and I'll show you the next step. You then want these 2x1 clip attachments, and you're just going to place them on each of the cylinders. And of course, as you probably anticipated, we're going to get a 2x1 plate with the clip, and we're just going to clip it to the bars. Now once that is done, we're going to make them, to put together and sealed by using this car seat. It's almost like this is like a car seat piece. And you want this pillow piece with the little, but a 2x3 pillow piece, kind of ish. I don't know. You guys probably know what these are. Kind of like another kind of car-ish seat thing. And then you're just gonna clip it onto those 2 bars. And that your chair will want to fall over unless you put it on, some studs on the plate, there. And you can just place a minifigure there. So now to build the other chair, we're going to take here. So now we're going to start with this 2x2 slope piece. And this chair is pretty simple. Again, getting this, car seat piece. I chose to do orange. One second. I chose to do orange. That I thought looked pretty cool. And we're going to get a 2x1 plate and stick it right there. And as that looks like that, you're going to want this 2x1 shelf piece and just place it like there. This actually works perfect for a minifigure's bum. Truth be told, it actually fits perfectly. And it's the exact same model of a modified, those default chairs. So I'll just show you how, an adult minifigure sitting there. So here we have him, and he's just sitting there, and it works. It fits perfectly for him. So I'll just put Timmy in his seat then, and we will build the other chair, the last chair. So yeah. Starting with this 2x2 slope piece, I chose blue and a 2x1 brick. That's how you're going to make it into a 2x3, you know. As that happens, we get a 2x3 in orange to seal it off. And then we get these we get these 4 1x1 brown cheese slopes. Let me put them on. Or, of course, you could just do 2 2x1 cheese slopes in brown. You don't have to do brown. I just kind of did it. And then you're going to take this 1x2 brick and another 1x2 brick, the same color as that plate there, whatever that you choose to be. And I just put this rocket ship there. And so that's the video. Also, please like, and subscribe. I already said subscribe. Like, share, hit the bell, and check out some of my other videos. So, I'll see you guys. Bye.